this wonderful school book, dear.
It's lovely, Mama, but how will we pay for the fees?
Don't you worry about that, sweetie. We'll figure it out together.
Ice cream!
Mama, look! Ice cream!
Yes, sweetie. Doesn't that sound wonderful? Coming. Looks good, sweetie. Are we ready for the morning rush?
Can I have the first scoop of pistachio, Mama?
Here is your fruit sorbet. Enjoy.
And a spoon for you.
Thank you so much. Here's your strawberry scoop.
Oh, thank you very much.
It looks wonderful. Come again soon. A very successful morning indeed.
Yay, we did it, Mama.
Look how golden this mango is, sweetie.
It looks yummy, Mama. Can I have some now? Here's your triple scoop with extra sprinkles.
Oh boy, thank you. It looks amazing. This is it, sweetie. Your first day of school.
It looks so big, Mama.
Here are the school fees. We appreciate it. Thank you. Here is the official receipt. This is the start of a wonderful adventure.
I can't wait.